Vibers, it's your girl Sisi, and I'm happy to see you today. Welcome to Africa to the World on YVMV. Most well-known brands such as Toyota, Hyundai, Mercedes, Nissan, Ford, and others are made in other countries. You may not be aware of it, but the automobile industry in Africa is developing rapidly, which has boosted the economies of the nation that produce cars. All African manufacturers want to rule the roadways on the continent with their models. This concept supports the excellent caliber of vehicle built in Africa. Because local automakers are held to such high standards, it has been established that their product meet or even surpass the benchmark internationally. We will examine today the top 7 automakers in Africa in 2023. You see, Vibers, don't let anyone tell you that there's no car manufacturers in Africa. Thanks to Africa to the World on YVMV, and this was Sisi the Vibe. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Salut les vibers, bienvenue dans la rubrique Appelez Tips. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous donner quelques astuces, vous montrer comment percer sur YouTube. Ne zappez pas! YouTube compte plus de 2 milliards d'utilisateurs actifs dans le monde. Waouh! En France, c'est plus de 50 millions de personnes qui regardent au moins une vidéo par mois sur la plateforme. De plus, se lancer sur YouTube est très accessible aujourd'hui. Maintenant que nous y sommes, laisse-moi te donner quelques tips pour percer sur YouTube. Choisis sa thématique. YouTube est un réseau et comme tous les autres réseaux, les tendances varient constamment. Alors, prends le temps de choisir une thématique que tu maîtrises le mieux et lancer ta vidéo. Trouver un format de vidéo à publier. Lorsque tu as trouvé la bonne thématique, rassure-toi de choisir le format approprié à YouTube. Il y a certains formats qui vont correspondre à certaines thématiques et inversement. Créer des vidéos de qualité. Ici, tu dois te focaliser sur la production de contenu de qualité. Alors, tu ne peux pas te permettre de créer des vidéos à la va-vite. YouTube est un milieu très concurrentiel. Optimiser ces vidéos. Pour que tes vidéos apparaissent au haut de résultats de recherche, il te faudra optimiser tes vidéos parce qu'avant tout, YouTube est un moteur de recherche. De la même façon, en optimisant tes vidéos, tu as plus de chances d'être recommandé sur la plateforme. Analyser ses performances grâce aux statistiques de YouTube. À partir du moment que tu as une chaîne YouTube, tu as accès à un tas de statistiques dans un outil appelé YouTube Studio. Grâce à YouTube Studio, tu pourras voir en détail toutes les performances des vidéos postées sur ta chaîne. Certaines statistiques te permettent d'améliorer ton taux d'engagement. Tu peux par exemple voir le taux de clic et le montant d'impression sur tes vidéos. Voilà quelques tips pour lancer sa chaîne sur YouTube. C'était Dorly sur Rapid Tips. Bye bye!
Before going further, I would like you to know that there is not health benefit in skin bleaching. You are unique in your own way. Trying to change your complexion will not make you a better person. You are what you think, you are what you do, and you are what you eat. I am Laura the Vibe, your beauty and well-being coach. Today, we are going to talk about skin bleaching. What is skin bleaching? I know you are aware and I know you've seen it once because we all know what is natural skin. Sometimes we see patches, blemishes, redness, and you ask yourself why. It might be due to the product that you are using, due to pills that you are taking. Skin bleaching is a cosmetic procedure that aims to lighten dark area of skin or achieve a generally paler skin tone. It is usually used to improve the appearance of blemishes such as birthmark and dark patches. How do you bleach your skin? By using products like bleaching creams, pills, soap, as well as professional treatment like chemical pills and laser therapy. How does skin bleaching works? By reducing the production of melanin in the skin. Melanin is a pigment produced by cells called melanocytes. The amount of melanin in your skin is generally determined by your genetics. People with dark skin have more melanin. Hormones, sunlight, and certain chemicals also affect melanin production. When you apply a skin bleaching product to the skin, such as hydroquinone, it decreases the number of melanocytes in your skin. This can result in lighter skin and a more even appearance to the melanin. Now, what are the side effects of skin bleaching? Bleaching skin is very dangerous. Using these products, especially from unknown sources, can cause blemishes, redness, acne, thinning skin, and scars. Some products may not even include an ingredient list, which is a red flag. Since 2006, some products have been banned due to the FDA notice. That is why bleaching products have been banned in some countries, especially in US. Mercury poisoning. Mercury is a highly toxic chemical and it is banned in a skin lightening in US. However, there are still many lines of lightening products that contains mercury in the market. Signs and symptoms of mercury poison: numbness, high blood pressure, fatigue, sensitivity to light, neurological symptoms such as tremors, memory loss, and irritability, kidney failure. Dermatitis. Several studies have shown a link between skin bleaching and dermatitis. This is an inflammatory skin condition caused by exposure to certain chemicals. Redness of the skin and blisters of skin sore. Exogenous or chronosis. EO is a skin disorder that causes blue and black pigmentation on the face. Bleaching creams containing corticosteroids can cause acne. This type of acne will mainly develop on the chest, but also on the arms and the back. With the long-term use, it may take the whole body. Symptoms of steroid acne include white heads and black heads, small head hairs, large pimples, acne scars. Nephrotic syndrome is caused by damage to the blood vessel in the kidney, which are responsible of filtering waste and excess water out of the body. It causes the body to excrete too much protein in the urine. This can cause the following symptoms: swelling edemas around eyes, swollen feet and ankles, foamy urine, loss of appetite, tiredness. Now that you know what is bleaching skin, how it works, and the side effects, I hope you will choose the right skincare for your skin. Here was Laura the Vibe, your beauty and well-being coach. Bye-bye.